I wish I could write it down, but...
Ready?
Fuck it, hold on. It's already on?
Yeah.
Alright. Check it.
Put him on the spot.
On the spot. Shit. I make the beat like I said. Alright, I do the beat. Anyways. Check it. I am not a rapper. I'm just a guy that raps. I'm about to kill this beat. Someone call it ambulance. See, come down like an avalanche. They don't stand a chance, cause every move I make is business sauce. All I do is advance. See, I'm rolling for the cash. Middle finger to the haters, cause I'm rolling with some motherfucking true paper chasers. And yeah, we know the hustlers. And yeah, I'm on my grind. And I ain't talking to you ducks at nothing but the time. See, I'm rolling. I'm going in. And we go ham. I don't give a damn. Y'all niggas fake as spam. So goddamn, I bring the blam, bring the flash, bring the shot. Cause when you come with me, you bitches be all up on my job, on my cock and non-stop. Cause when I drop, I'm going in and no pretend. Fuck a friend, cause my money said it's time to spend. And up the skies, you see me with the eagles, cause I'm rolling so illegal. Middle finger to those people who be on that bullshit, wasting time. I'm on my hustle, nigga. I'm on my grind. And I don't give a fuck. I just explode, cause I'm the type that makes my own path, create the road, and have your body sold. Cause when I'm chopping you up, cutting livers and guts, you know I don't give a fuck. I'm just that K.I.D., that killer in disguise. It's that kid spitting acid, fuck with me, it's homicide. Or call it suicide, cause that's the way I fucking play the game. Make you think that you fucked up, cause me and you is not the same. Cause I'm insane, or sanely insane. Either way, I'm so untamed. Fuck you, this is my game, it's called life. And roll the dice. It's like a gas fucking candle and beat the shit out of you. My fucking sandal. Fucking blow you out like a candle. I'm the type of nigga, leave your pussy at dismantle. I go harder than the best of them. Middle finger to the rest of them. Be my chest and then I go get that paper. Cause I'm straight gorilla. I'm natural bone killer. Middle finger, fuck how you feel. I be out. Bitch. Bitch.